I have a question regarding the Incarnation with regards to its relation to Christ's ability to be our proxy. Regarding Christ being and the union, and that Incarnation being union, is that union a result of God coming to earth and participating in humanity in the form of Christ? Is that what creates that union, which allows him to be the proxy for us? Is that what you would say?
Yes, I think so. The Council of Chalcedon says that the one person who is the second person of the Trinity has a divine nature that is complete and true, but then he also has a rational soul and body, and therefore a true human nature. And so he's truly God and truly man, having two natures.
And as a result of that, because he's truly human, the Incarnation forms that union which allows him to be the proxy. That sort of.
I think it forms the necessary condition.
Okay.
It doesn't seem to me that it's sufficient, but it would be a necessary condition. I think the notion of being appointed by God, especially through the baptism of Jesus, that you have this notion that the God-man becomes our proxy. And I say that because from my reading about the baptism of Jesus, this is this very peculiar scene where Jesus, though sinless, goes to John for a baptism for the repentance of sins. What in the world is he doing there? He doesn't belong there. He doesn't have any sin to repent of. And he says to John, let it be so for now. We're doing this to fulfill all righteousness. And the commentators that I've read suggest this is the way of Jesus identifying himself with fallen humanity in its sin, even though he himself is personally without sin. By seeking John's baptism, he identifies with us in our fallenness. And so that would seem to be and it's the beginning of his ministry, right? This is the inauguration then of his messianic ministry. So it would seem to me just a singularly appropriate moment to think of this appointment to being our proxy before God.